Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana Sage. On this channel, I will be teaching about international law, and these teachings will be in the form of short weekly lecture series. Over time, I will be surfacing varied concepts of international law. When and where applicable, these concepts will be analyzed and brought to you as it relates to current trends in international law as they arise. At the end of this lecture, you will find the transcript of the lecture in the link below. Also, for current trend and analysis in international law, you can subscribe to my blog. All the details you will find in the comment section below. For the 38th lecture in this lecture series, we will be exploring another organ of the AU, encapsulated in Article 5G of the Constitutive Act of the AU, the Specialized Technical Committees, the STC. In this lesson, we will be unpacking its composition, its functions, and its mode of operation. So let's begin. What are the Specialized Technical Committees? The STCs are the establishment of Article 14 of the Constitutive Act of the AU. Article 14 also provides for its composition. The STCs are thematic committees that provide expert and thematic supports and answers to the Executive Council. To its structure, Article 14.2 of the Constitutive Act of the AU is to the effect that the STCs shall comprise of ministers and senior officials responsible for sectors falling within their respective competencies. The purpose of the STCs is to work in close collaboration with AU departments to ensure the harmonization of AU projects and programs, as well as coordination with the regional economic committees. There are a number of STCs, and they include STC on finance, monetary affairs, economic planning, and integration, STC on social development, labor and employment, STC on health, population, and drug control, STC on justice and legal affairs, STC on youth, culture, and sport, STC on public service, local government, urban development, and decentralization, STC on communication and information communication technology, STC on defense, safety and security, STC on agriculture, rural development, water and environment, STC on education, science and technology, STC on gender and women's rights, STC on migration, refugees and internally displaced persons, IDPs, STCs on transport, infrastructure, intercontinental and interregional infrastructure, energy and tourism. The manner in which STCs choose to organize, including their meeting times, are structured by their rules of procedure. Article 16 of the Constitutive Act of the AU empowers the committees to make their rules of procedure themselves, which would be approved by the Executive Council. To its functions, each of the STCs are mandated to act within their sphere of influence by performing the following duties as highlighted in Article 15 of the Constitutive Act of the AU. Prepare projects and programs of the Union and submit it to the Executive Council. Ensure the supervision, follow-up, and evaluation of the implementation of decisions taken by the organs of the AU. Ensure the coordination and harmonization of projects and programs of the Union. Submit to the Executive Council either on its own initiative or at the request of the Executive Council reports and recommendations on the implementation of the provisions of this Act, and carry out any other function assigned to it for the purpose of ensuring implementation of the purposes of the Constitutive Act. In this lesson, we have captured Article 14 to 16 of the Constitutive Act of the AU and address the composition, functions, and structure of the STCs. In our next lesson, we will be exploring another organ of the AU, the Economic, Social, and Cultural Council, ECOSOC. So I want to say thank you so very much for joining in. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified when there's a new video. We would also like to connect with you on Facebook and Twitter, and let us know the content you'd like to see. Thank you.